Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rice. So this video is about something called Cpctc. So what is Cpctc? Cpctc is an acronym for a popular reason used in geometric proofs. So what does Cpctc stand for? Cpctc stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And I've underlined the letters for Cpctc. So C, P, C, T, C. So ultimately, what Cpctc stands for is I know that these triangles are congruent, so I can say that any corresponding part of them are congruent as well. So that's ultimately what that's saying. So why do we use Cpctc? So we use this to prove that a pair of corresponding segments or corresponding angles are congruent. And when do we use Cpctc? So in order to use Cpctc, we have to prove that the triangles are congruent first. So ultimately in a proof, you'll see like the step right before you use Cpctc will be a triangle congruent statement. So it'll be like this triangle is congruent to that triangle, and you'll use like side, 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 or side, angle, side, or angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side, or HL. And then directly after that, you would say that either a pair of sides or a pair of angles are congruent, and your reason would be Cpctc. So summing this up, in proofs, if you want to use Cpctc, you need to know that a pair of triangles are congruent first. So thinking about it, that would be your first goal if you were doing proofs. After that, you would use Cpctc to say that a pair of angles or a pair of sides are congruent, because think about it. If the triangles are congruent, then any piece that corresponds has to be congruent as well. And because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent is a very, very long thing to say, we abbreviate it and just use the letters Cpctc instead. So what I hope you guys do is jot down all of this. I will put a question on Google Classroom. If you have any questions that need clarifying, I almost like lost it there, clarifying, then let me know. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night, guys. Bye.